Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you a simple, efficient and inexpensive facial to get rid of pigmentation, discolored, dull and patchy skin. You need only half potato for the entire facial. For step 1, grate a small amount of potato and then extract the juice out of the grated potato by squeezing it. You need a cotton pad for cleansing. Dip this cotton pad into the potato juice and gently wipe across your face. Repeat for 2 times. Let it sit for a minute and then follow up with the second step. The antioxidants present in potato juice helps in reducing the pigmentation spots and wrinkles. To prepare the Depigment instant brightening potato scrub, the ingredients that you need is 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's a great skin smoothing exfoliant. Sugar is a commendable source of glycolic acid. It removes the top dead dull skin layers. Add the leftover grated potato to it. Grind the ingredients with the help of a mixer to get a fine scrub-like texture. Apply onto slightly damp face and scrub using gentler circular motion for 2 minutes. And then rinse off with cool water. It easily removes all the toxins and gives you a natural, polished, clear and bright skin. Now for the face mask, grate some more potatoes. Take 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. It works wonders when it comes to natural skin lightening, and it also helps in the elimination of dark spots. Then extract the juice out of the grated potato by squeezing it. And finally add chilled milk or curd. You can also use cold water. Mix well to get a smooth paste. Supply it evenly on face using a brush. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. So after you have done with your pack, rub some moisturizer or your favorite cream. This face mask helps treat a variety of skin conditions from hyperpigmentation to acne and from skin dullness to patchy discolored skin. It grants a natural freshness and fairness, thus making your skin look spot-free, even-toned and beautiful. So friends, do try this simple but super effective facial twice in a week and see the miracles happening in your skin. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to your natural beauty channel. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye.